Hello guys, so today is another vlog, and today's vlog guys, we have a quick unboxing of this Insta360 GO 3. Since how many months already that they released this GO 3, but yeah, we're late already for the unboxing. But again, uh, let's see and check the what's inside the box of this Insta360 GO 3. So yeah, there's a price already here, 119.80 din. Now this is a 64 GB. So we have two types of memory, which is 64 GB and 128 GB. So yeah, but again, it's almost same. And yeah, so let's see what's inside the box of this Insta360 GO 3. And yeah, up here at the back, it's already the name or what inside the box, what items inside of this box. So for example, we have the GO 3 itself, the action pod, charging cable, quick start guide, warranty card, magnet, pendant, pivot stand, and easy clip. So yan guys, let's see. I will not mention all the specs of this camera, or we can put in the description. So let's make a quick unboxing, and for sure on the next vlog we will make a test. Maybe on the next vlog, maybe tomorrow. If I upload this one today, tomorrow I will make a follow-up vlog on this Insta360 GO 3. And if you want to check this demo unit, you can visit us here in AAB World Mega Store Showroom Symphony, Salmia, Kuwait. So, yan. When we open the box, oh, so this is the camera. You'll see direct the camera. Okay, it's very tiny and cute, and it's magnetic. It's magnetic. So, yan, ganyan nga siya. Oh, di ba? It's magnetic, guys. Magnetic camera. So, this is, I think this is more bigger compared for the previous Go 2 and Go 1. So, first, you will see here the manuals and yeah, manuals. I believe same application that you're gonna use for Insta360. Yeah. So, quick guide. You have your quick guide and a box. Let's open this box. Yun. Ito yung magnet niya for the clip. Yun. Kasi i-click mo lang dito. You have more.
Sakap.
Sakap. Sakap pala to. Ganun. Yan, ganyan mo sakap. Then, you have also yung pinaka-housing niya. Ganda, ah. O, sabay. Oh, ganyan mo siya rito. Then, you have like a GoPro type or DJI or the Insta360, yung bago na flip. Tawag doon?
Flipping. Flip.
Hindi,
Screen.
hindi yung flip. Yung yesterday we vlog.
Ace Pro.
Ace Pro, yeah. It's look like a Ace Pro. Yan. So, you have your housing of the camera. Nalo. Yan. With the flip. Okay. And this is the accessories that includes on this kit. Yan. So, here, ano ba meron dito? Okay, you have more cable USB to USB-C. Meron pa ba? Warranty. Ah, mod. Meron pa. Sa magnet, something. Sa magnetic clip. Yan.
Neck tayo.
Neck ba yan? Ito yung neck eh.
Yun pala.
So, this is like the magnet.
Para, ano yan, curve.
Uh-huh.
Yung curve. Para naka-tilt siya.
Okay. Kasi, natin. No?
Para dito pang POV.
Oo. Parang ganyan siya, di ba?
Hmm.
Oo. Para maging ano siya, curve pag ganyan. So, this is what inside the box. Of
Pakailan
course,
may
sticker.
videographer.
Ha?
Pakailan meron videographer.
Shoutout kay Palaboy FW, ang videographer natin ngayon. So, ito.
Nakakasweldo na ako.
So, this is what inside the box of this Insta360 GO 3. Ito siya ba ano? Para siyang ano? It's like
Ace Pro.
Ace Pro.
Na
Tapos cute.
detachable.
Yeah, cute kasi puti. So, let's try to use this on the next vlog. So, and guys, I think if you want to check the price and availability of this Insta360 GO 3, we have 64 GB and 128 GB. You can check to our website, www.abworld.com. Or if you want to check the device itself, the demo unit, you can come visit us here in Megastore Symphony, Showroom Salmia, Kuwait. So yan, hanggang dito na lang. Shoutout nga pala o flex time kay Palaboy FW sa likod ng ating camera. And of course, another channel niya na Test Chat.
Test chat.
Test Chat. Test Chat. Yan.
Test chat.
So, check niyo yung sa another channel niya. Anong ginagawa mo, di ba? Nagtetest lahat?
Test lang.
Oo, lahat ng mga nasisira namin, siya nagtetest na. So, yan. Hanggang dito na lang again, www.abworld.com. So, yan, yung ano nito, description, nasa description. Yung ano niya, tawag doon? Yung specs.
Spec.
O, di ba? If you want to check the specs, it's already in the description. So, yan. Hanggang dito na lang. Thank you and mabuhay.